I'm Ethan Murray, project architect with Skyview Detroit. We're in Northville, Michigan today, and I'm going to show you one of my favorite projects. Our client's goal was to create a cozy retreat in the middle of their property. We did this utilizing two systems, one being the StruXure Polycarbonate Pergola, allowing diffused natural light, and the second one, our custom vinyl Aere Wall system. This is a full-length vinyl window system with a screen on the outside. They can utilize this space comfortably 10 to 11 months out of the year. The Aere Walls are a stacking vinyl window system with a full-length screen on the exterior. Every one of these openings can be opened up to 75%. You have a full-length screen on the outside to allow for airflow in the warmer months. If you're ready to transform your outdoor space, visit skyviewdetroit.com to book your free in-home design consultation.